It's nice. Yeah.
How do you change your display? What your cover screen? Let me do that for you.
Through, so I was like, yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Bro, why is there so much content?
Walk slowly now.
Demon's what?
I love it. I never watched him in the
No, but the thing is, what I hate in the last episode, he didn't get that.
Ja, de einde. Hoe gaat het met jou, Spaga?
Ik is Spaga. Goed, dankie. Hey, die blow.
Van onze fucking hemel.
Moenie met my sukkel nie. Ons is baie goed.
Ja, en
Ek het
daar bij die microwave, daar.
daar sê.
Kijk daar bij die microwave. En ik zei, daar is een fucking microwave.
Daar so fucking.
Moenie praat shit, man.
Microwave science.
Moenie praat shit.
Ik doe niet nou niet.
Episode 4, 5 en 6.
Ek het 'n klein beeld.
Ik doe niet.
Het is een 5 en het is een 6. En dan blijf net daar. En kijk de 5 en die kijkt de 6. En die zegt ja.
5, 6.
Hij zegt 5 en 6.
5, 6.
Ja.
Did you hear my come out?
Ja.
Ek het 'n klein beeld.
Ik doe niet nou niet wat jullie zeggen.
Waar is mijn kop?
Dis is
Jan Piramid stand stil. Goedemorgen, mijn vrouw. Dat is een liedje voor jou.
Spara.
Ja, meneer.
Moere met dit.
Moeram.
Kom met hom.
Delerij. Kan je die boeren kom leiden?
It's so cold right now, bro. Yo.
Ja, no, it's
No, it's yo. The weather's blasting us. So we're here to bring the heat.
What the hell happened on Saturday evening?
With what?
With us, nigga.
Jägermeister.
You know, we went
what
to
Jäger?
that other school to do that other
Oh
thing.
yeah, we went to the other school and then we said what's up, and then they were like
I'm
what's
calling
up.
her, all the girls responded. I called her Auntie O, and they responded very well to me calling her Auntie O.
Yeah.
So we can just call her Auntie O.
Yeah, auntie, yeah.
Went to Auntie O school, and
Yeah, wait.
what's up?
What? We
What's
don't
up,
go
bro?
to school there.
Who's Auntie O?
We don't
Who's
go
Auntie
to
Ma?
school there.
I'm not about to say that.
The response you got out there, boy, I tell you.
Look at this.
Well, you're gonna play 2 videos. Okay, this is the first one. Look at the reception your boys are getting out here.
Look at Spaka just jabbing. Wow!
It's like summer jam, son.
Look at look at Spaka.
I can't dance. I'm just like, hey, what's up, yo? I look like someone's uncle.
Simon's like, what is going on here? What am I even doing here? How did I get here? What did I do to say?
Guys, there's a point where Spaga was controlling the crowd. He'd literally get off his chair and do this. And they go, and he just keep them quiet. He goes, He was like the volume. So I'm sitting there going, hugs over here. Who wants a hug? Ready to give a hug? Anyone wants a hug? Who wants a hug? Okay, here we go.
Look at hugs.
That's exactly what somebody says again.
Come on, bring him in. Hey!
Okay.
All right.
Eventually I got the hug momentum. Now I'm giving hugs now. Okay, who wants another hug?
Yo.
Anyway, shout out to all those girls, man. You guys are so amazing.
Yeah.
We had the time of our
I
lives
know they're
hanging
watching
out
this
with
episode
you.
enjoying now.
It was a very controversial decision in the end of who won the lip sync battle, but I
Yeah.
feel like we made the best choice.
Shout out to the Matrix. They won
Yeah,
that.
shout out to
I
them.
know you guys are watching this saying what's up, and we say what's up. Well, can I ask you something?
It's
Can you-
good controversy, baby.
Can we bring up that picture that I sent to the group last night? Because wow. Oh no way.
Nima, how old is this lady? Because yes, that's
40 going on 20. Yeah.
Look at the niggas in the back, boy. They're not okay. Like the one nigga, Yaku.
Yeah.
Yaku's not okay, they boys. Like,
I went for food, they're ready to risk everything. They're ready to risk absolutely everything. Whatever it takes now.
No, but why does the body look like that?
Because she's a model.
Babala's been around for a long time, guys. She's been around for a long time.
That she has.
She was second princess, Miss Africa in 1996.
Yo, still flourishing
When
now.
Peggy Sue Khumalo won, she was her first princess.
What?
That's a long time ago, bruv.
Yo.
Okay, let's go. The World Cup is coming up.
Can't wait.
Football season may be
Waka,
over,
waka.
and if you think, oh, I have my boyfriend until July, August, ladies, you got something coming. Football is just coming back
Give
now.
me reason to get higher.
Where's the guy? We need to go find him.
Yeah, when I get older, I will be stronger.
He's somewhere hooked on drugs in the streets of America singing this song. And I get
Oh, give me reason to get higher.
I will be stronger. Remember me.
Guys, no.
Remember me.
Where is he, dog? We really need to find out. Where's Kenan?
You might think you're looking at FNB Stadium right now. You're not. You're looking at a stadium rather. In Mordovia, Arinya, similarity to FNB Stadium is purely accidental coincidence.
I like that Russian accent. I like it.
They copied FNB Stadium and then they said, what? What? Yeah, what the hell are you? It's a coinkydink. We have never been
There is
seen
no
that
way
FNB
this is a
Stadium.
coincidence. No ways. Impossible. This looks exactly like FNB. Exactly. Like maybe to the T even. And how many people does it seat? So they've stolen another seat.
People that keep stealing our shit.
That's Moses Mabida.
No, on the left, that's Cape Town
that's
Stadium.
Cape Town.
Baba. That's Cape Town,
Moses
Mabuti.
Mabida's got a whole
David, it's back. You get out the city, bro. Not like this. Most of it is super iconic. Like you carve it even in your sleep. They're basically saying, "What are you going to do?"
Yeah, another quarter is also gone, boy. Gone. Quarter's fuck gone, boy.
Yeah, and I've seen that video of this nigga a million times. Every time they explain it, I haven't seen an explanation when they explain the dance in South Africa. They explain everything else,
Yeah.
but that dance.
Yeah. And I think the first time I saw it being done was by Rihanna, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's a Mozambican dance." Wow, it's late.
That's all they know is Mozambique. Since Beyonce came to do the Pantua dance, and one of those Mozambican dudes.
Remember those Mozambican guys are classic. And they got there and she walks into the room, right? And these guys ask, "Who are you?" To Beyonce, "Who are you?"
She said, "It's your girl, bye."
She said,
Bye. How bye. Speaking of somebody
What?
"Who's the what?"
who doesn't send many invoices.
Oh,
Damn
damn it.
Mazwai.
What happened to
South Africans, first of all, you guys need to fucking grow up, all of you. Because there was an entire roast. An entire roast is, hey, let me make this person cry. I don't know what concept of a roast that South Africans are getting, but the whole point of it is, let me tell this guy shit and almost bring him to tears. Let me try my best to make you hate everything about yourself.
Yeah, let me rock your spirit.
Literally no compliments.
Yeah.
That's the rule number one of a roast. Everyone came through after the roast. They asked me, "Oh, everyone is being mean. No, it's not nice. Oh, it sounds personal."
Where are we?
I would roast myself to death if that was the point of the entire conversation.
Yeah.
Why is everyone being weird about it? So anyway, Nziki Mazai's sister came out, the famous one. The relevant one, and said, I'm gonna get my money back. I told you guys to put me on the fucking roast. So anyway, Thandiswa stood up for her lesser known sister. And Tiki.
Are you going in or what?
saying thank to all the haters. It's not a hate, Thandiswa. It's a roast. Also, I did Simphiwe that. I thought, you know what? Let me go fetch this family. He said, haters that she generated for herself over many years here on Twitter, don't bore us. Your sister is a very vile person, which is true. Those are the worst
Oil
skates.
is not gold.
Those are the worst skates with all stars. Very problematic.
What color is oil?
Black.
Yeah, why are you saying oil?
Oil is gold, fish oil.
Just everyone get over yourselves. It was a roast. And then now Thandiswa was going after Simphiwe saying those that can't sing mustn't say anything.
Whoa!
What?
Pause!
It's right there. You need to go back. It sounds like I'm saying it. Nigga. You're fucking mad. Fuck. Get there.
Whoa.
Stella.
Ababimbayo. Bathule rather. Wait,
It's the weirdest beef. Some people could confuse Simphiwe Dana with Thandiswa. They're like the same person.
Yeah.
And then they're beefing. It's the weirdest thing. I heard that one go down. Yeah.
It was so loud.
Is your throat okay, bro? No way.
Then you ready?
What?
What's the Thandiswa diss track to Simphiwe Dana? What's Thandiswa song?
Di ready.
That's Simphiwe Dana.
Ugumora wena msonu wami.
See that?
That's how you answer. Yeah.
Ladies,
Zonke.
come on, guys.
That's
Give me a
Zonke.
Thandiswa song.
And
Hi Jerry. Yeah.
Is that Bongo Marvin as a whole? Or is that her own song?
Hit them with the ad-libs.
Close enough.
In a few years, you'll be. Is he serious? That laugh.
This life is Let me run laps around you while laughing. Jesus fucking Christ. That's the suicidal. That's the suicidal laugh. Like after someone laughs at you like that, you think, do I need to exist? Do I need to exist anymore? Maybe my time here is done.
Maybe it is.
Oh.
What the fuck, nigga?
Whoa!
This guy.
I'm sorry.
This is dog as shit. You want me gone, nigga?
Must I read the caption?
Yes.
Sure.
He's 58 years old, married to 3 gay wives. What? He has 20 children. 5 are lesbian. 5 are gay. 10 are straight. Wait, the maths. Oh yeah, 20. Okay.
First things first. Let's
The maths.
get the maths out the
20
way.
children. 5 are lesbian, 5 are gay. 10 are straight. That's
Okay.
20.
Don't miss the 12th episode of my TV show Sofa Slahlane this Thursday at 9 p.m. on Moja. Okay.
angitshela
Eh, yatawa
ngoba
nani
nabahlezi la etafuleni duze naye.
sengancedisi bami
Okay.
eh
Lona umama omdala.
iya uyalo mdala
Umama wesi-2.
iya kunjalo
Umama wesi-3.
iya kunjalo so ngi-free anginankinga angidingi ngabe njani soka yami
Is the guy- is- is-
ngibala labantwana
Is the dad straight?
Bayingaki bonke?
bayi-20
Okay.
and abayi-10 ba-straight
But who's giving birth to these kids?
abayi-5 ama-lesbian abayi-5 ama-gay
Who is giving birth to these kids?
No, obviously there was women involved at some point that he's having
With the three
that,
wives.
that are carrying the children. Obviously, I mean obviously.
Yeah.
Because the kids are there. It's not a.
I'm trying to make up my own
We're not
conclusions.
brainstorming what could have been the reason. Obviously, there were women involved. Were there women involved?
How could this ever happen?
Or is biology? No, definitely. I'm just astonished about the level of diversity happening in this family. It's a lot. It's a lot. This is a family that it has everything.
What?
This family, I'm saying it has everything. It's a society. It's not a family. All right, we're back to it again. It's the Savannah Unapologetic Vlog. It's taking place this weekend at the Soweto Theatre. Go out there and get your tickets. It's a showcase happening. He's part of Skalk Bazane Holt's team. As you know, it's been happening for the past 3 weeks. We're showcasing the Oaks. Some Oaks have been getting roasted. Paga went to town on the homie the week before that.
He was whack.
That guy put us to sleep, man. So I hope you didn't come here with the dozy doze.
And he's
Make us laugh.
Oh, in Sonu. You know, I'm sorry, bro. That was very offensive. I'm so sorry, bro.
Okay, alright. MicroWave Boys, episode 56. Hottie of the week is _ Minentle
A beautiful day.
from Kaapstad.
Okay, let's take a look.
Let us take a fucking look.
Yo.
Ooh, Minentle with the cuteness. Look at that face. Just cuteness. Your body, just tightness. Could be bad. Click, listen. You like scrolling too fast, my brother.
Open.
What is not a data situation?
Oh,
Let's
she
click.
has legs. Do you see the legs?
What?
Yeah, to the point.
Oh, no. The previous picture and this.
Yeah, I was about to say the previous legs and these legs. She been working out. Guys, what's the throwback? What's the statute of limitations on throwbacks? In terms of how early you can throw back.
What do you think, brother?
No, look me lang ay look shin.
Why?
Lo. No, mama because kuna lo mfana lo hlele nje makandlula lo. Uthi ntwana. Ayikho ethi namathanga amhlophe kanje. Lo?
You're gonna chew hashtags in this episode.
Dragging us to hell.
Who's the cutest? They are.
Okay, umngani ubani?
Number 10.
I hate when girls post and then they don't take the friends. I be like, you know your friend got that Instagram.
But
Look who's at the top there with the hearts. They're all one click.
That was last week's holiday of the week. Or the
2
week
weeks
before
ago,
that.
2 weeks ago.
Cindy Tando.
Yeah, they're all one click, basically. But hey.
You have to sign up at nkabanyedisa.com.
Yes,
Submit your picture. I'll come
Yo,
and
why you jumping there, bro?
That's the question. I'll come and
Whoa.
See, people think about their pictures. We just go to the beach. Hey, boy. Hey. Remember, we're in the water. Hey, we're in the water, boy. Uh-oh.
The friend.
We didn't think about how this would look on the Instagram. Oh, this is an aesthetic picture.
How can you do that?
Impossible.
It is impossible.
She's committed to the gram. This is the greatest Instagram picture I've ever seen in my life.
How?
The greatest.
Let's fix the how.
In terms
part.
of the picture.
How did she do that?
She's
pose?
in the air, guys. Have you
Mid-air.
seen a picture better than this?
Yeah.
Yeah, Batum.
Yeah, man.
Kubekani ngala makhondom wenu.
Mina with
Oh,
the fitness.
man. Come on.
Hayi kubekani.
I like him. He's got funny.
Mina mabathi uyagula loya. Ngiyamtshela ngithi baby siyagula sonke for
No. Distasteful.
Oh, more.
Loya.
Anyway,
No.
MicroWave Boys episode 56.
No.
You can catch
No, the other
the gentle
comedian.
brother
No, I like him. The other comedian.
being hella problematic, I'm guessing.
The other comedian.
And the Savannah unapologetic.
And I doubted him. But I called him. What's up, figure? Proper jokes. But no, you have something. You have something.
There's something there left.
You have something, you know?
Yo, bafethu umngani lona catch me on the 20th of May. So it's a theater Savannah newcomer. What's this? What is it again?
You paid for this.
You paid for this. No, it's the Savannah Newcomer Showcase on the 20th of May. So it's a theater next to Jabulani Mall. Make sure you get your tickets. The sold has sold out for 3 years in a row. Get your tickets as soon as possible.
Get your tickets soon as possible. Sold out 3 times in a row. In a row.
First, you can catch me on Facebook, Umgani the comedian. On Twitter, it's Umgani the Umgani comedian.
You can't catch him on Facebook. There's nothing there. We tried this.
But you'll catch the fun on the 20th of May. Peace out.
In a row. in a row. In a row.
La langi. Dreaming about all different kinds of shit. Looking at all different kinds of women. I should be snapping right out of it. Half of these bitches just counterfeit. Take out your heart and then run with it. You said you just having fun with it. I must admit that I'm kinda lit. Lit off that bomb that you hit.